At some point in the existence of this building, there was already a compressor in this location. We have a wire already ran. I put a new breaker in the appropriate size for the compressor I have. There's air lines already ran to different areas of the shop, so I could tie back into some existing air lines with the new compressor. Just gotta get all this junk out of there. You could tell I'm about to run a plug right now because I can't find a broom anywhere. Found a broom, still a cabinet guy after all. It works.